Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Oh my god, is this an exciting video. After literally 2 months and 4 days, my HAZMAT has been cleared. I just got off the phone about half an hour ago from an amazing seller support person. Actually, this one has been really helpful, like replying to all of my cases that I've submitted. They gave me a call and said, I'm pleased to announce that we have successfully cleared your HAZMAT review. It's no longer seen as a hazardous product. Literally, you guys know the struggle I've been through with HAZMAT. Like literally, I've made so many videos about it. I first submitted a case about it on July the 6th, and it's now September 10th. So 2 months and 4 days is just ridiculous. However, we've got it cleared and in perfect time, because if you haven't seen my other video, my products are in production. I've ordered my main product, my bundle item, so now I can make my shipping plan. There's one catch at the moment, because he's just rang me. He did say that I might not be able to convert it to FBA for 4 hours. So I went on and tried, and it's still asking for HAZMAT information. So I think I'll just wait until tomorrow and I'll try again. And if not, I'll call them. He called me up, he said it's been cleared, and I'm so happy. I thought I'd just grab the phone and make a video. So this is it, guys. Literally, today I've been working on my Instagram, so I've been downloading a bunch of viral or cool content that I can repurpose and recycle for my Instagram page for the brand. Start building that up, ready for the launch. Got to work on email campaigns, ebook. I'm going to use, I think I'm going to be doing 3 or maybe 2 ebooks with the product, and I'm going to use one of them as well for lead gen, email lists, campaigns, ads, and things like that. So that'll be a great way that I can use my Instagram to get people to sign up for the email list, ready for the launch campaign. So exciting stuff, tons to get done actually. Loads to work on, and I'm really excited. So the HAZMAT has been cleared 2 months and 4 days later. I'll catch you in the next video, guys.